Place pinion using your hand. Place pinion screw 6 using Allen key. Place pinion screw 4 using Allen key. Place pinion screw 2 using Allen key. Place pinion screw 5 using Allen key. Place pinion screw 3 using Allen key. Place pinion screw 1 using Allen key. Insert the drive in the side flange and align the mounting holes. Using your hand, turn the motor so that the electric connections face the inner side of the side flange. Using your hand, place flat washer. Using your hand, place the M6x20 hexagon screw 4 using wrench. Place flat washer. Using your hand, place the M6x20 hexagon screw 3 using wrench. Place flat washer. Using your hand, place the M6x20 hexagon screw 2 using wrench. Place flat washer. Using your hand, place the M6x20 hexagon screw 1 using wrench. Connect the drive to the toothing by returning the knee lever using your hand. Place the motor cover to the side flange. Using your hand, place motor cover screw right using your hand. Place motor cover screw left using your hand. Switch on the power supply to the machine using your hand.